Now see the next part, part 6 of indefinite integration. Indefinite integration, right? So let's see the first question, that is integration under root of 1 plus sine x by 2 into dx, right? So see here, we will use here half angle formula because it is already in half. So sine of x by 2 can be written in the form of 2 sine x by 4 cos x by 4, right? So, and instead of 1, I will use here sine square x by 4 plus cos square x by 4 equal to 1, right? Why I have used x by 4? Because here we are getting, right? That's why. To make a complete square, that's why. So put here instead of 1, we will use sine square x by 4 plus cos square x by 4 plus, and instead of sine x by 2, we can write this expansion form. So it will be 2 sine x by 4 cos x by 4, right? Now you can just observe it. It is whole square of sine of x by 4 plus cos x by 4 whole square, right? So we can take outside 1. So it will be sine x by 4 into dx plus integration cos x by 4 into dx, right? So as we know, the sine integration is nothing but it is minus of cos x by 4 and it is divided by 1 upon 4. Similarly, cos will be sine of x by 4 divided by 1 upon 4. So this will be the answer of that, plus C. So this is the final answer. Got it? Okay. Please write it down. Now see the next question, 8th one. So it is integration sine 6x plus cos 6x divided by sine square x into cos square of x whole dx, right? So it can be written as integration sine square x plus cos square x raised to cube minus 3 sine square x cos of square x into bracket sine square x plus cos square x, right? Divided by sine square x plus into cos square x, right? So now see here. So as we know, the identity sine square x plus cos square x is 1. So it is integration of 1 cubed minus 3 sine square x into cos square x, and this will be again 1. So it is 1 divided by sine square x into cos square x whole dx, right? Now see. So what we can do now, we'll divide it, right? So if we are dividing, then and 1 cube, what will be 1 cube? It will be 1 only, right? So it can be written in this form also. So it is 1 minus 3 sine square x into cos square x divided by sine square x into cos square x, right? So see here, instead of 1, I will write the identity again. So it will be sine square x into cos square x, right? divided by what? I will separately divide. So it will be sin square x into cos square x into dx minus integration 3 sin square x into cos square x divided by this. So it is sin square x into cos square x. So now divide separately. So you will get like this. So it is integration of sin square x into dx divided by sin square x into cos square of x into dx, right? Plus integration cos square x into dx divided by sin square x into cos square of x, right? Minus 3 integration. It is sin square x into cos square x into dx divided by sin square x into cos square of x. So this will be cancelled and this cos square and cos square will be cancelled. Sin square and sin square will be cancelled. So remaining is 1 upon cos square x into dx plus integration dx upon sin square x minus 3 integration of dx, right? Now take in the numerator, so it will be sec square x into dx plus integration cosec square x into dx minus 3 integration of dx. So sec square x dx integration is nothing but it is tan x plus cos will be, it is cot of x, right? With negative sign minus of 3x. 3 into x plus c. So this will be the final answer. Understood? So it is tan x minus cot of x minus 3 of x plus c. So this will be the final integrated part. Now see the next sum, ninth one. So it is integration of sine raised to 6x into dx. So it can be written as in the form of sine cube x whole square into dx, right? Now we know the sine cube x expansion formula. So it is 3 sine of x minus sine of 3x by 4. So this is the formula, whole raised to a square into dx. Understood this one? We have used this formula for the linear form. Now we will expand this formula. So you will get integration. So it will be a square. So it is 9 sine square x plus sine square 3x minus 2 into 3 sine of x into sine of 3x, right? Divided by 4 square is 16. So this is the expand form of that. Understood up to this point? Now see.
Yes.
I will take 1 upon 16 outside. So it will be integration of 9. Again, I will use sine square x formula. So it will be 1 minus cos of 2x by 2. Right? Plus. And again for this one. So it will be 1 minus cos of 6x by 2 minus of, so it is, I will take 3 outside, right? And this can be written as sine 3x into sine of x. So I will use this formula. So 2 sine of x and sine of 3x can be written in the form of cos of 3x minus x, right? Again minus of cos of 3x plus x. So this is the formula. This is called as sine of c sine of d. So this can be written in the form of cos of d minus c minus cos of d plus c. This is the formula we have studied in the trigonometric function. So apply that one. So take 3 here. So it will be cos of 3x minus x will be 2x. So it will be 2x in the bracket. Again, this is also in the bracket. Minus of 3x plus x will be 4 of x. So this is the identities. Now integrate it. So integration will be 1 upon 16. So 9 upon 2 is outside. One integration is x and cos integration will be sine of 2x, and we have to divide by coefficient of x. So it is 2 plus 1 upon 2 is outside. One integration is x and cos will be sine of 6x divided by 6 minus of 3. Cos integration is sine of 2x by 2 minus sine of 4x by 4. So this is the final integrated form. So please write it down. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Now see the question number 10. So it is integration of tan inverse of sine of 2x into dx divided by 1 plus cos of 2x. So we will use the formula here. So as we know, sine of 2x is expand form is 2 sine of x into cos of x, and 1 plus cos of 2x. It is nothing but it is 2 cos square x, right? So use this identities here. So it is tan inverse of 2 sine of x into cos of x into dx divided by, it is 2 cos square x. So this cos and this cos will get cancelled. So it is integration of tan inverse, and 2 and 2 also get cancelled. So it is remaining as sine of x divided by cos of x into d of x. So it is integration of tan inverse sin x upon cos x is nothing but it is tan of x into dx. So there is formula. When tan inverse x into tan of x dx is there, then it is x comes out, right? As we know, integration of x is nothing but it is x square by 2 plus c. So this is the final answer. So please write it down. Now see the question number 12. So it is integration of cos inverse sine of x dx, right? So here identities is if cos inverse of cos x is dx, right? So x will be coming outside, right? So we need here cos. So we have to make it cos. So it is cos inverse. Sine can be written as cos of pi by 2 minus of x into dx, right? So now you can take this value theta. So it is integration pi by 2 minus of x into dx, right? Now integrate that one. So pi by 2 is constant. So integration of dx only minus integration of x dx, right? So dx integration is nothing but it is pi by 2 into x minus of x square upon 2. So this will be the final answer. So it is pi x by 2 minus x square upon 2. So it is the I form. So please write it down.